Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off screen lock unlocking sounds in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. While unlocking or locking your phone, you will have a small sound. See here, I would like to lock my phone. Listen to the sound carefully. Use microphone to the best effect. I unlock it. There is small sound, tiny sound. If you want to turn off this, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone here and go to connections. Then uh, go to where? Not connection. Okay, sorry. You have to go to sounds and vibration. Okay, so go to settings, then sounds and vibration, then go to system sound, and here you will find screen lock unlock option. Just turn off it. Now you will not get that small sound. Listen carefully. Use microphone for the best quality of sound. There is no sound now. Okay, see here. Unlock. There is no sound. Okay, if you turn on, you will have this sound. Listen carefully. Yes. While you turn off, you will not get any sound while locking and unlocking your phone. So in this way, you can easily turn off screen lock unlock sounds in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.